The Google Pixel 9 series just launched a little over a month ago, but there's still one more model waiting in the wings, the Pixel 9a. If you followed Pixel's release cycle, you know the 9a will likely drop around spring, probably right around Google I/O. But we already have some early details, and they're worth checking out. Thanks to some fresh leaks from OnLeaks and Android headlines, we got a sneak peek at the Pixel 9a's design. This is Google's mid-range champ, set to replace the Pixel 8a, which was a hit in the budget phone space. One of the most noticeable changes? The camera bar is gone. Yep, the signature Pixel look is getting a redesign. Instead of that bold camera bar across the back, the cameras are now almost flush with the back of the phone. It's got a tiny ring around the lenses, but overall, it's a much sleeker look. If you remember the LG G8X Thin Q from a few years back, you'll get a similar vibe from the 9a's design. As for the cameras themselves, it's sticking to the basics, a wide and ultra-wide lens, just like the Pixel 9. So nothing too crazy there, but what will catch your eye are the bezels. Yeah, they're pretty noticeable. We're not talking edge-to-edge screen here, but for a phone that's expected to be priced under $500, it's kind of what we expect. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The Pixel 9a is doing something that even the rest of the Pixel 9 series didn't manage. It's launching with Android 15 right out of the box. Android 15 isn't even officially out yet, but it's set to start rolling out on October 15th. So the 9a will be one of the first phones rocking it. And just like the Pixel 8a, this phone will get 7 years of updates, which is pretty sweet for anyone looking to keep their phone for a while without worrying about falling behind on software. But there's another cool detail. This could be the last Pixel phone to use a Samsung-designed processor. Word is that the Pixel 10 series will get a fully custom Google chip made by TSMC. So if you're a fan of Samsung's tech in Pixel phones, this might be your last chance to grab one. Depending on the price, the Pixel 9a could be a solid contender in 2025. When it comes to specs, don't expect anything too wild compared to the Pixel 8a. We're likely looking at a 6.1-inch display, 8 gigs of RAM, and 128 gigs of storage. Of course, it'll swap out the Tensor G3 chip for the newer Tensor G4, and there's a chance the battery will get a slight boost from the 4492 mAh battery in the 8a. Well, that's it for this video. Catch you in the next one.